So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab, that is Cloud Run Canary deployment. So just start the lab and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now one more important thing, for this lab we require GitHub. So simply just log into this website and simply sign up. It's a very simple method. You can use your Google, RAPL ID, or just use a traditional method to just create an account. It's very simple. And if you already have account, simply sign in to your GitHub account. Once you are signed in, just come over here and just click on I understand. Now from here, click on agree and continue, and simply click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. Let me just change the appearance to light mode. Click on continue and just simply remove this unwanted pop-up from here. Just click on authorize. Now in the description box I've shared the GitHub repository, but watch the video, otherwise you won't be able to get the score. So first of all, copy the first thing, paste over here, hit enter. Now let me just increase the text size. Now once your output shows like this, please pay attention. Simply hit enter again, type Y, hit enter, again hit enter, again hit enter. Now click on this link. Now make sure you select your student ID, means student GitHub ID. Simply click on continue, or if you want to use any other account, just use a different account. So just click on continue. So see, sometimes what happens, it asks for two-factor authentication. In that case, you need to check your mailbox and just enter the code over there. So here for this task, you can see here we have this code. So drag your mouse cursor from here to here. Once you see the clipboard icon, simply come over here and simply paste it. I repeat, you have to simply drag your mouse cursor from here to here, and once you see this clipboard icon, click on it and simply click on continue. Now from here, just authorize yourself. All things are done. Now simply wait. So here you can see we are successfully signed in. Now come back to the GitHub repo, scroll down a bit, and from here just copy the second command. Now just copy it, paste over here, hit enter. Now from here, please pay attention. We have to just go to the build, cloud build. Okay, just come over here. Got it. Remove this. You can close it also. There is not issue. Now from here, just go to the triggers, repository, sorry. From here, it's asking in configuration incomplete. So from here, just click on continue setup. Click on continue. Now from here, you have to just select your user and just confirm. It will take few seconds, wait for it. Now this is successfully done. Now click on this three dots, link a repository. You have to select the repository related to cloud progression. So you have to simply select this one, OK, and just click on link. Once you have done all these things, come back over here, and if it asks to reconnect, just simply click on reconnect. Now come back again to the GitHub repo. Okay, from here just copy this command and simply paste over here. Hit enter. One more important thing, most of you may face this issue, that if you're getting this as failed, okay, just come to the history. If you are seeing this as failed, click on this and simply click on retry build. Okay, do not worry, everything will be done. Now wait for it to get completed. After that, we'll move forward to the next step. So finally here you can see all these things are done. If you come over here to the build history also, let me just see. So you can see all these builds are running. I repeat, if you see any of these builders failed, you have to simply come to the history page and simply here click on retry. Now let's come to the lab instruction and let's see how much score we are getting. And if you're wondering how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, for that just check the video description how to enable check my progress. Now here let's wait for some more time. So finally all these things are done. Now simply come to the lab instruction and check the score. So here you can clearly see we have got the score. Let me just refresh again. So finally we got the score. Now if you see any of these build is failed, simply click on it and simply click on retry build. I hope you are able to understand whatever I am trying to explain. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.